Hello there and welcome to Foundations of Yoga Asana or Asana with Andrea Yoga today. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be practicing the simple spinal twist pose called Meru Vakrasana, a preliminary asana pose practiced before the more difficult Ardha Matsyendrasana. Meru Vakrasana stretches the spinal cord, relieving back pain, is a fairly simple asana which can be completed by beginners and practitioners of any age. It helps to tone the organs in the abdomen and improve digestion, as well as giving us a metabolic boost. So to practice Meru Vakrasana, the simple spinal twist pose, we begin on the floor in a sitting position with the legs stretched outwards. Relax the upper body, but keep the spine nice and straight and the breath nice and natural. Placing the palms on the outside of the buttocks, pointing outwards and slightly back, we bring the left hand to the right and place the left palm next to the right palm. Place the left foot outside the right knee. And then as we're ready, twisting from the waist, the shoulders and the head, turning over towards the right hand side as far as feels comfortable, retaining the breath during the twisting process. Exhale in the final position, where we can also continue with slow and deep breathing in this final position. To return to the start position, we unwind the upper body and the legs to the start position to repeat the process on the left hand side, placing the right foot next to left knee and twisting the body from the waist over towards the left hand side. Practicing as many rounds as you are comfortable to do. This will allow the spine to become more flexible, the back muscles will become more supple, and from this position we can progress towards a more tricky Ardha Matsyendrasana, which gives a very good stretch to the back muscles, relieving back pain also, but loosening the spinal column as well as stimulating the spinal nerves. Thank you so much for practicing Meru Vakrasana with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. That's all for now. Thank you, goodbye, and namaste.